Imagine walking in the woods and spotting tiny footprints in the mud. Who could have left them? Animal tracks are like secret messages. A deer's track looks like two teardrops side by side. A raccoon's print looks a bit like a tiny hand with 5 fingers. If you find small round prints with claws, it could be a dog or fox. Look at the size, shape, and how far apart the prints are. Animal tracks help us learn who lives nearby, even if we don't see them. Next time you're outside, look down and become a nature detective by spotting animal tracks.